Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this live session on Wednesday, and here we go. Market just opened and kind of volatile day today. Let me see what's going on very quickly. Let's set up our indicators and we will take it from there. By the time, if you have any question, you can feel free to ask me now. Let's see. So the gap up 0.2%. Let's see how much gap we have in the market. Let's switch back to the regular trading hour. There is no gap. Okay. So with the news came out, market just goes down and bounce back from there, and now it's heading for a session high, and I am using the Lux Algo indicator setup, which is, you can find the description link. There's a 30% off coupon. I didn't get in any position yet. Hello Court, hello Fatih, hello Gül. I will answer all of your questions now, guys. Just give me a moment. I'm kinda late today. Nice formation in the market. I'm feeling bullish today. Let's see. We have this bullish fair value gap here, and also this is like a breaker block on bullish side. Wasam, welcome to live session. No position yet, guys. No position yet, and there is a 80% off going on in the Apex Trader funding. If you didn't get in one yet, it's a great time to get one, because it's so cheap that you cannot deny to get one account. And I'm using also the Apex Trader funding. I have one funded account now that I will trade today. No position yet. It's kind of tough market now. Alright, this is Lux Algo indicators that you see on my screen. We got a strong buy signal with the market open, and all the confirmation indicator was bullish, so it's a good thing. Yeah, the CPI is a whole crazy thing. Look at this. It's just, messed up the whole market. We are talking about here 44.95 to 45.17. It's like a 30 handles or not, or something like that. So the previous week high, the previous day high, the Monday low is acting as a support now. I think the previous week high will act as a resistance. So let me share with you guys some couple of links that you can go and enjoy the benefits, because why not, right? Let me just type in here the whole coupons. It's crazy now, 80% off. I did couple of withdrawals on the Apex. I didn't see any issues with them, so you can also check it out. How are you guys doing? So the market is now ranging at the moment, and it's kind of tough day. This, the PPI, CPI, FOMC days. It's a tough days to take an action. So now we are looking at the 15-minute time frame, and this is the yesterday New York PM session. We break the lows in the Asia and the London, and we make a new low just before the market open. So the direction is hard to say today. Let me see what we got. Alright, so let me just delete this since we don't need the Sir, make a video of the up indicator as well that is in all in the page. I don't know what is this indicator. Can you just share the link with me so I can, you know, take a look at that? What's that? So guys, I think like the market is kind of bullish today in my opinion. And there is some nice kind of formation. This is the low, the previous day low, and the equilibrium point. So I guess like if you make this, the contracts has been switched, so make sure that you have also switched to the ESS. It's very important while you trade. Now we have entered in a ranging market. Now Nasdaq is following the ES. Not so much going on at the moment. So the Ghoul asks that the Euro USD. Let me see. Whoa, we have this gap. All right. So Euro USD is in a ranging mode. If you look at the Lux Algo indicator, it gave the strong sell signal with the whole confirmation indicators, and now it's in the ranging mode. It's waiting for new signal or something like that. I think for now it's better to, you know, walk away from the Euro USD since there is no clear direction, but it's in the bearish trend. We have looked at this also in our previous live session. You see this channel, right? So it's a clear downtrend. I'm not interested with the Euro USD at the moment. It can go further down. It can also bounce back from somewhere here. You should wait for some kind of breakout in that scenario. So let's look at the NQ and the ES. Thank you, Court. Sir, a video on support in resistance because, sir, I don't know about this. You mean support? Yeah, I have a video about the support and resistance. If you check my previous videos, you can see that there is a video about the support and resistance. Also, I have a YouTube short video, so you can check out that. So now this is the discount zone, this is the premium zone, and this is the equilibrium, which means that it's the middle of the discount and premium zone. I don't know, it's a tough day to trade. Not rushing myself to take a trade. Cengiz asked that which indicator I am using. I am using the Lux Algos Premium indicator, the price action concepts, the signals and overlays. And let me show you quickly my settings. My sensitivity is 16, but this is for the ES. And this is basically all the settings that I have. The confirmation and exits, trend catcher, trend tracer, and the dashboard. I am using ICT sessions, one setup for live. We have seen the change of character here. If I see a kind of break of structure, I will enter a trade on the long side. But now we see this bearish change of character. Market is kind of, you know, whole messed up now. Whole messed up. Look at this gap. It's been like a while I didn't see this regular trading hour gap that's so small. Alright, let me just see what's going on. Let me share with you guys some couple of coupons. Gökhan is already answered the question, thank you. So guys, I'm using the Apex funded account for those who are wondering, and if I trade options I use TD Ameritrade. Today we have seen the CPI data came out, and you know, market just filled the sell side and the buy side zones. So basically we break this line, we made a new high. I'm interested in the market today, but you know, it needs to fill our needs. Like I need to see a break of structure. Alright, let me just delete this, we don't need. The New York AM session high was 45.25.75, and there's a lot of 5. So the previous day low will be our support, and the previous week high will be our resistance. Because you know, the market is always, you know, shows some strength at those points, and these are very important points in my opinion, the lowest and the highest points, we can say. The Asia session was red, the London session was become a kind of green. Then the pre-market was volatile, you see here, and the AM session now is green. Let's see. Thank you very much Cengiz. Teşekkür ederim. If you guys have any questions regarding to any indicators you are wondering, you can ask me. So feel free to ask. We have this VWAP and EMA lines on our chart, and all of them shows us the market is now bullish. Let me hide those, but the market is, you know, trying to break down. Oh, I am so bad at drawing these lines. Okay. So if you go out of this box, we can enter a position. Bunu Türkçe cevaplayayım. Yani bence kriptolarda teknik analiz biraz daha zor, özellikle yani altcoin'lerde vesairede. Yani biraz daha manipülasyon dönüyor. Yani spekülatif harekettense ben biraz manipülasyon olduğunu inanıyorum. Yani likidasyon az olduğu için. O yüzden bence yani futures marketi deneyebilirsiniz. So guys, market is stuck. And we are waiting for some kind of squeeze here to take some profit. Nasdaq is trying to go up. I want to see a new session high. I want to go in a long position. Relax, I'll go. Let's enable it. Order block finder, trend line with breaks. It's a good indicator. It's free. Breaker blocks with signals is also a great indicator. I don't know that if you use ICT concepts, he does very good job. Some people hate him, but I love him because, you know, he does all those things for free. Unbelievable. I know that it's so boring to watch his videos, like, you know, 2 hours, 1 hour, hundreds of videos, but he teaches something. Gökhan, you are very welcome. We are now in the New York AM session. I want to see the stocks. I want to see the Apple. They released the new iPhone yesterday, but my personal opinion, I didn't like it because nothing is changed. The Ultra is same, the Apple Watch is same, the iPhone is same. There is no innovation in the whole products. I don't know what are those workers doing like in 1 year. Thousands of workers just did this thing. I can't believe it. I was waiting something like iPhone Ultra which can be a, you know, like a flip phone, something like that. All right, extended trading hours. Apple now trading at $175. If you look at in a daily chart, we can see that it is in a downtrend. Look at these gaps. A lot of gaps in the Apple. This was a crazy uptrend. Now we broke that trend with the gap and we fill that gap. What market can do is market can head for the fill those gaps, I believe, but we will see that. For the market direction, you know, in nowadays I can't decide. In normal times I can say that market can go up like a 2 months or so, but now I can't say anything. But if there's a 50-50 chance, I will bet on the downside. So market trying to break the Monday low. I'm not interested in so much on the downside, but if the market wants that, we can short the market. So the 1 hour chart. Lux Algo Premium. Lux Algo Premium. Let me show you my settings. Tavsiyen nasıl olur? I'm using on a 5 minute and 1 minute time frame, and for the bigger picture I always go for 15 minute because it has really a high win rate on the 15 minute time frame. So in the day trading I use on the 1 minute, and I check my confirmation indicators. I check the bar color, for example, like bar should be green, and we need to get the buy signal if possible with the strong plus signal, and I want to see those confirmation indicator. You see this plus icon and you see this line. They all must be green to enter a long position. So that's how I use the Lux Algo. And the most important thing is I only trade in the market hour. I don't take a trade in the pre-market and after market. Yeah, if you wonder some specific kind of thing, I can answer, Cengiz. Wasam, pivot points, high, low, missed reversal level, sir, check please this indicator. The pivot points is good indicator. I think I have it somewhere here. Pivot, yeah. So the pivots, it's like if you see that the previous week high here and we have the pivot here, so very similar points. You can use pivots and you can use the also the this indicator. Look at this, the previous day low here, and we got the pivot here. So the pivots are nice. You can use it for determine the my English accent. Determine the, you know, your target. So if you short, you can, you know, target here. So the pivots are very nice. If you are beginner or, you know, the intermediate trader, you can use it. And what else you asked? The reversal levels. I saw this indicator a lot, the reversal levels. It's nice indicator. Let's check together. You know, I will prepare a specific video about this, and it's become so popular those days. Where is it? The Lux Algo. Lux Algo has some the huge amount of indicators. So 9,000 we have indicators here. Let me just hide those so we don't get confused. So most of the Lux Algo indicator doesn't repaint. It shows very nice. Let me see the script. Bar count reversal, tops and bottoms, the pivot length. I think you can use this, but I need to test it by myself. So it gave sell signal and buy signal. No. It says you can buy here and you can close your position here. Very nice. No, it just shows you the lows and highs. It shows you the lows and highs. It doesn't do anything. It shows you the reversal points. So there is no point to use this indicator. Oh, we are missing an opportunity here, guys. I don't know, it's kind of risky to me to short here, but market is sitting now in the 0 point. The Dow Jones, the whole market is same. I don't know if it's a good idea to short. We have seen this break of structure. If we short here like at 2 points, we can put stop loss somewhere here, which bring us the 3 point. Let's do it. So if we get stopped out, 18, a low risk trade here. OBS is disconnected. Let's make it 3 to 3. A lot of questions came in. Rica ederim. Crypto. I have never used the Luxalgo in crypto, so I don't know how it will perform. I can't say anything. We have lost $16. We didn't surprise because, you know, it was an obvious stop on. It bounced from the VWAP. Let me answer questions. You said you will make a video about your indicator which you use. You didn't make. Oh yes, I will make a video how I use the Luxalgo. I will make it in this month. Yeah, I will make it. My promise is my promise. How you decide to exact entry point while using Luxalgo Premium. So I always wait for the bar to close before I take a position. So in this position that we took a 1 micro contract, it was like a random position. You know, in a normal scenario, I always wait the bar to become a red and I need to see a sell signal and all those confirmation indicators must be red. This is how I do it. But this was that I played, I checked my chance, let's say, to break off structure here, but it didn't do it. So let me read the question. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, which one? Okay, so 15 minutes for to see a bigger picture, 5 minutes to confirmation, 1 minute to take an action, I can say. Which stock he's doing? I'm trading the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Jair, okay, thanks. You are very welcome, Cengiz. Oh, you're very welcome, guys. So I just take a 1 trade and we took a 3-point loss. It's very small loss, I know, but it's like 30 to 70%. So we lost. You know, for now we just basically waiting for the bar to change its color first and to see some, you know, and price action basically. And since beginning of the market open we are bullish, but on both sides there is no such an opportunity to take, you know, a normal contract. Only micro contract for fun, so 0.2% market is up. Champion, welcome to live session. In this Sunday I am releasing new video that I will be covering the 4 newest TradingView indicators you have to check out. So don't miss that video. It's a very nice video. I cover all the new indicators on TradingView. Yesterday I thought about this, that the TradingView doesn't have any, the competitors. I know that there's a trend spider, but it's not free, so everyone can't use it. But TradingView is free, so most of the features are free, and there is no alternative for TradingView. Strange. There's a lot of money in that business. Sir, what kind of indicator is the indicator that you have installed with the pivot point? Oh, your English is killing me. I think you tried to ask me that the pivot indicator that I use. Yusuf, welcome to live session. Hello, by the way. Please tell gold USD. I think I remember you. You always ask the gold. Let's see. the gold. Let me just delete this, and voila, we are still in. We have dropped this box. Look at this. What happened? I think you have asked me in the past live session about the gold. So what's going on is the price just went out of this box, so we are still bearish. This is the Monday low. If you have shorted, you could make some money, I guess. So I'm still bearish. It's those formations and whole price action is bearish. Let me see. So we have this trend. It's a clear downtrend. If we don't see the price breaks the previous week high, I am not interested to take a long position. And for the short side, I think like you should be in a short position. If not, I think you should wait to take a position. No direction for me in the gold. Alright, so next question is from the Wassam. I think he tries to ask me the pivot indicator. Let's see about this script. The pivot point standard I am using. So you can check out, this is free indicator on the TradingView. I think that this is, yes, this is a built-in indicator. So TradingView has, developed this. It's a very nice indicator. You can, check out. I will return back to the ES. I missed the days that market is rallying like a 2%, 3%. So slow. It's make now the high lows. Look at the bar. It's trying to return to purple. What we do? We don't do anything. We need to see the signal. We need to see the confirmation indicators returns to red. We need to see the EMA is crosses down. None of these conditions is met. So market is filled this funny gap. You can ask me your questions, guys. I think like I need to see some likes on the video. Crash the like button, guys. It's free to like. So the bar closed with the purple, which is good. So direction is kind of changing. It's early to talk, of course. Now price hit the VWAP one more time. It's showing some support over here. Champion, I have already talked about the gold. Oh, we've received a strong sell here. Strong sell incoming. Oh, we entered a long position. I forgot. We have to wait for bar to close. 30 seconds. The break of structure one more time. I want to be sure, but the problem, we have reached the equilibrium point. Okay. Come to us. The reason why I don't take short here, because this bar is still green. We see the cross down. We can take a short, but the equilibrium point, you know, freaks me out. I have put the sell stop. Incoming squeeze. One contract, let's do this. You are trading or joking? Both of them. A break of structure one more time with the more confidence. Not oversizing. Take a call. What are you saying? Yeah, maybe he's talking about options. Let's see what prices do. Previous day low is a nice target. the support zone here. You were right, it went lower up. It's like, what's it called? It's binary or something. Double up the size of the position. If we lose in this trade, it's, you know, there's a high chance trade this is. See the Dow Jones. These are the targets on the short side and partials actually. I think I will write this trade until the PM session, since I have put my take profit and stop loss. All right, I think we will hit the targets, but I will leave you guys with the position here. So if you have enjoyed this live session, you can crash the like button. I will catch you on Friday. That was a nice live session. So I hope you guys learned something new today.